Mabuhay!
So tayo po, yung mga mag-join, we are the one who will be the first participants that will join this 100,000 marker. And it is a great number for us to deliver the Philippine brand service.
The Department of Tourism has conceptualized what can be the answer doon sa iba't ibang experiences na